I have something from Tesstudio. Let's open this. It says HM3 Highland Model 3 carbon fiber trunk spoiler glossy. This is how it looks like in glossy, and it's really light, and this is made from carbon fiber. A very, very nice spoiler from Tesstudio. Should be this way, or should it be this way? Cannot be. Okay, so there's only one way of doing this. Yeah, it's already there. It also comes with a warranty and support card. Just scan this to get the support from Tesstudio. Let's clean this again. Make sure it's properly cleaned. It's easier to start from here. Put it slowly. Okay. So I have a card here. So let's see how far from it. Okay, it's about 1 card away. And over here, it's just ever slightly. So I'm just going to push it a little bit there. And this is also 1 card. Yeah. And you might want to hold it for a while. Just hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, just keep holding it. Say you are a bit afraid that it will drop off, then you can also stick on cellophane tape, from top to bottom to ensure that it's properly stick on. Pretty cool, right? So with this spoiler, it adds aerodynamic to the car. Air will flow this way. It's not said by me, it's by Tesla. They also have a spoiler that looks almost exactly like this. I think this fits the car very well, especially the gray Tesla. Personally, I like glossy. Of course, you like matte, you can have the matte one, but because the paint is glossy as well, so might as well make it glossy all the way. If you want to buy this carbon fiber spoiler from Tesstudio, please click on the description below and use my code to get more discounts. Thank you. Bye.